You ready to go kayaking?
Yeah, look at that. He's definitely ready. Football!
I've been preparing myself for this all winter.
Yay!
Okay, so here's the drain that runs underneath the street all the way to Harrison Elementary. And you see that it's half full of water all the way down. It's actually deeper than usual. Okay, when the water gets over this cement, it floods in the neighborhoods behind us. Well, it's just getting worse and worse too at the base. Ugh. Let me see how far down it goes. Oh, it goes down really far. More than half of my ore. That can't be good. Looks like it's kind of sagging too.